Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Wikidev, and in this tutorial we want to see about how to make a to-do list app in the web with using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'm using a JavaScript library called jQuery. jQuery is more popular library of JavaScript. It makes a more work with a less code. It means less code and do more. Okay, just make our file ready. Click file, and I think I need to be open a folder. Now I am opening new folder called to do list, and I'm dropping inside it. Wait for a second. Yeah, and it's okay. Now the folder is created, and now inside that we need to create an index.html file. So click this new file and type it as index.html. Index.html is not necessary to make a name called index.html. When you're hosting in the web, it need to be compulsory for index.html. I'm just making html5. I set a parameter, so it's showing all meta tag contents like cassette to encode our document, and name viewport. It's a tag for using responsive. So I'm typing a title as to do list application. Okay, next we need to make a jQuery CDN to set into our file. Opening a browser and check for jQuery CDN, and there will be a first link, and click that and just right click on this, or no, yeah, just left click on the minified version of our recent version and copy this code, script code, and minimize and paste it in the head section. Yeah, now it will be okay. Sorry. Yeah, now you need to set the two files in your folder. One is style.css to make our cascading style sheet, and another is app.js to make a JavaScript query and all the stuffs in app.js. And for app.js we need to set a script source to make a app.js viewable in our web page. So I'm setting as app.js. Yeah, you can keep in this head section also. I am keeping the body section, while JavaScript will be run faster than where you keep in the document. So I'm keeping the bottom of a page, and then start creating a document. First we need to create a division and name the class. No need of name the class it as id called container, and inside the div there need to be heading called to do list. So make a h1 heading and name it as to do list, and you can ask no need of. And next you need an input to ask some to do question. And if you make some content like I need to buy a car today, I need to wash the dish, I need to prepare the dish at 9 o'clock, you need to be send some message to that to the list. For that you need an input source, so I'm typing as input, and the type need to be a text, and name it no need to name it the id because there will be only one input in our web page. This is only input in our web page. You can set it the value of our name as search and placeholder enter to do. Yeah, now it will be okay. And next you need example 3 ul and li because we need to do it in the ul method. That means order list. It will be in the order. You can append by using a JavaScript query in JavaScript library called jQuery. And first I need to create an ul, means unordered list, and create a li. Inside the li I can return some examples car by a car and copy this code. I paste it 3 times and you can change this to make a meal and this go to shop. Yeah, there will be 3 allies in this unordered list, and this is okay for our to-do list. This is much content contains in the HTML. HTML is more easy to make programming and awesome stuffs. Now we need to concentrate on app.js. For app.js we need to first make our jQuery is live or not. For that I can alert some stuff into it. So I'm going just make a connected alert. If I open it in the live server, yeah, it's just connected. Now it's okay, and our allies and heading and input all works in the neat manner, and no need of quitting it. You can quit this alone. And after that you need to go to app.js. We need to code this entire file using a jQuery library. So jQuery contains this dollar sign, and inside that you need to specify a tag name or a class name or another id name. And first I need to set, when I click this ul of li, it need to be striken out. So I need to set that option first. So I'm going to app.js dot on click and making an two argument click comma and making one more argument called li. When you click this ul, the ul need to be fully striken out in the li. If you're clicking this inside the ul and making another function called something and making another dollar sign to make assign this means a particular ul inside of li inside of ul to make that this represents to li. So when I click this li inside the ul, the function need to be, you can put here as li also, because there are 3 li's. When we type as so much of li's, that is so much of to-do list, we need to specify some um, proper li, so it need to be toggle class. Now I'm setting a css. For that I need to be set css in my html document. So style, sorry, I need to link my HTML, so I'm typing as link style.css. Yeah, now it has fixed. Now if I click this by a core, it need to be striken, so I need to create a class for that. I'm creating a class called complete or done. First I am creating done, and text decoration go like a line through a flight traveling from end to end. Line through. And also I can make a color change, color yellow, no, red, it will be more visible to you. Now if I click that button, it need to be toggle, add and remove, add and remove. So I need to set a toggle called toggle class which the name of an CSS element to be striken. A name of a class will be done. So I need to keep a class name called done. Yeah, it's over for striking element. Now I refresh it. When I click this by a core, it will be striken. Yeah, you can see when I click this make a meal, it will be striken. When I click the go to shop, it will be striken. When I again click this go to shop, it will be remove the text decorations and color. And next we need to add a function or remove a function or remove this by a core in this to-do list app. When I finish this, it only said that you have finished today. You need if you have a big task like I need to buy a car in 3 months, if you finish the buy a car in 3 months, need to be clicked in this button and it will be totally disappear in the screen. For that you need to code some more stuffs, so making that ul dot on click li. We need to set some concept here to how to delete or remove our to do. To remove, I am setting a span tag, span, and inside the span I am setting a hashtag to represent my data. So I am copying this, copy this and paste it. I am not editing the video and I am posting it really what I do here. So there will be an hashtag. When you click the hashtag, the entire li, it means to do, need to be removed. First I need to remove this button, so I'm going to my text editor, style dot li or ul list style none. Now if I go, there will be empty space in that button, so we need to set some attributes to, if I click this hashtag, it need to be remove this file. Okay, just concentrate on this file, app.js. Inside the list of span tag, there will be 3 arguments, so you need to set 3 arguments. I have set a 2 argument and 3, and make a function to work inside that also. It is mean by internal function in the JavaScript or jQuery. First I need to remove this to do dot, it need to be faded out uh, with the second of 1000 millisecond, means 1 second. Hmm, first fade out. Fade out for 500 milliseconds and make a function to work with it easily. That means when I click that, it need to be removed also, not only fade, because I'm telling that if you didn't, I'm making this command line, I'm proceeding your procedure that make open the console. Wait for seconds. Yeah, let's inspect this. Now you can see that when I click this hashtag, it will be removed because the spam tag is not there. Yeah, you can see that inside the LIs the spam tags are not there. Inside the first, you can see that spam tags are not there. Style display none. You need to remove this spam tag with the whole element. So for that, not only hashtag, you need to remove this entire. So I need to remove that parent. So here ent parent and make this clip dot. Yeah, now it's working, and then remove it entire file in the HTML. So dot remove. Yeah, that's all, it finished. Now if you go to a web page and if click a spam tag, it will be deleted in your HTML file, and it will be deleted and it will be deleted. When you refresh, it will be regained. Now we can concentrate on adding our to-do list. For that, go to us code and making it from the input tag. Input dot, when we press the key, like for enter this, the value of which is 13. So making that in the correct manner, I need to complete this file with a few minutes, otherwise you will get bored. I just kidding you. And make an event to represent your function. This function need to be faded out. This function need to be added into your browser or to-do list. You need to specify that function. I am specifying as event, which is mean by which the key press will be enter button or tab or caps lock shift. So you need to specify the value of key press enter is 13. So I'm specifying the key press value. I'm creating a new variable called new to do. So inside that, I'm making another called this. This means the input's value input will be stored in. On the next line, you need to type that this dot value need to be empty, because when I keep and press it, it need to be empty after entering that. Now it won't work because I didn't set any of those variables. For setting that, to make that represent in UL, inside of UL it need to be appended. So I'm typing as append, or you can prepend also. Prepend means it will be appear top of the layer in UL. Prepend means it will appear in the down of the layer. For that I am copying this entire line and paste it in here. Yeah, it will be easy easy way to go. And next you need to make another one and give it as plus. You need to add what to do need to be in your li. So this new to do means value getting from enter and going to the directory to the file where you need to keep your amount of space. Cutting this and paste here. Yeah, not now it will be perfectly all right. Yeah, now it will be perfectly all right. Then if you go to our Chrome and just refresh it, now if you click this it will disappear. When you enter code by car, if I enter it will be added here. Go to shop buy a car. So I made some mistake. It called propagation. Propagation means when I do something in the last it will be come before. So I'm making the propagation. So I need to be cut the propagation because when I enter or delete that event it need to be deleted permanently. Stop propagation and making this prepend as append, so it can be append in the last of our to-do list. When I refresh, when I click this it will be disappeared. When I click this it also be disappear. Again refresh it. When I click the mail it will disappear and go up. If I need to dish preparation, so dish prepare. When I click the dish prepare it will be a whole bunch of codes to save it in the file. Just make yeah, then it's all right. It's mean full parent and fade tag all are over. I changed this e to event. I think that now it will be okay. When I click this it will disappear. Now if I add by a car, yeah, it's working and pretty cool. To make this hashtag, to I need to remove this. No, I need to don't underscore. For making that, done. And with this I'm making the hashtag. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine and cool. If I click this it will be alright. I need to buy a car or make a dish. Yeah, it also works in our browser. Yeah, it's amazing and cool version for this. Okay guys, see you in the next video as designing our to-do list as you seen in the thumbnail. So see you in the second part for editing our designs. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Signing off from Ricky. Bye.